Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. We're having more dessert. This is pumpkin pie. You can tell by the cracks. Don't know why pumpkin pies usually crack, but this one certainly did. The sweet potato pie didn't. But of course, pumpkin is traditional around Thanksgiving. Gotta have it. So, this is not the instant like quick pudding mix pumpkin. This is old-fashioned pumpkin pie. Veganized, of course, but old-fashioned. You have to bake it for an hour. So let me cut into it. And so here we are. It's holding up really nicely. Always cool to room temperature before you put it in the fridge and chill it. That'll help it firm up nicely. I've got more of the Ready Whip almond squirty cream. Let me take a bite. Look how nice that is. It smells good too. This is nice and firm. It's firmer than I remember pumpkin pies full of egg and milk to be. Nice and spicy, not too sweet. That's how I like pie. I don't like super sweet pie. So this is, again, perfect. I will have the recipe on my blog. It's not hard to make. I mean, the vanilla pudding mix is super easy, but this is not that much more difficult. It's just that you have to bake it for an hour. And the quick, easy pudding mix pie only takes about 5 minutes on the stovetop before you pour it into your pre-baked crust. I also pre-baked this crust a little bit just so that the bottom wouldn't be soggy. But yeah, I will have the recipe on my blog. I will link to it in the description along with the previous video. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Still going to do daily uploads through Thanksgiving. Regular community tab posts, Monday and Friday. Thank you for visiting my community tab if you do. Thanks for watching this. Thanks for commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll see you later, guys.